Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Extension, and today I am going to discuss about the performance appraisal. Under performance appraisal, I will discuss about meaning and definition, its objectives, and some of the benefits of performance appraisal. Firstly, we will see what is meant by performance appraisal, or what is the definition of performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is defined as a systematic process in which the personality and performance of an employee is assessed by the supervisor or manager against predefined standards such as knowledge of the job, quality and quantity of output, leadership abilities, attitude towards work, attendance, cooperation, judgment, versatility, health, initiative, and so forth. It is also known as performance rating, performance evaluation, employee assessment, performance review, merit rating, etc. Performance appraisal is carried out to identify the abilities and competencies of an employee for the further growth and development. It is aimed at ascertaining the worth of the employee to the organization in which he or she works. Then we will see some major objectives of performance appraisal. First one is to promote the employees on the basis of performance and competence. Second one, to identify the requirement for training and development of the employees. Third one is to provide confirmation to those employees who are hired as probationary employees upon completion of their term. Next is to take a decision regarding the hike in employees' pay, incentives, etc. Next is to facilitate communication between superior and subordinate. And last one is to help employees in understanding where they stand in terms of performance. So these are some of the major objectives of performance appraisal. Then we will see the advantages of performance appraisal. Some major advantages of performance appraisal are discussed here, in which first one is improvement in performance. Appraisal systems always aim at improving the performance of employees. It helps to analyze and evaluate opportunity factors such as technology and social process. Second benefit of performance appraisal is development of employees. Appraisal systems determine which employee needs more training and become primary source of information regarding the strengths and potentialities of the employees. Then third advantage is corrective actions. Any deficiency of employees can be detected and corrective steps can be taken through the appraisal system. The next one is career planning. Performance appraisal serves as a valuable tool in the case of career planning to the employees, since it helps in preparing SWOT analysis of every employee. The next advantage of performance appraisal is promotions. Performance appraisal also helps the management in deciding about the promotions, transfers, and rewards of the employee. The next one is motivation. It is a tool for motivating the employees towards the higher performance. So, this is all about the meaning and definition of performance appraisal, the objectives of performance appraisal, and the benefits of performance appraisal. Thank you.